See, what is your food review? Ah, wala pa. Masarap yan, no? Okay. 95% only. Pasta, chicken. Ano pangalan yung chicken? Truffle? Truffle? Pan-fried chicken. Ano yung truffle? Ah, ito ang truffle pasta. Truffle. Tapos calamares. Ano yan? Ano yan? Pork.
Bourbon pork steak.
Pork steak. Let's eat, Kat and cheese. Okay, Pops. Thank you.
Luma?
Let's eat. Let's eat. Saturday night crowd at Tablo. Secret chamber. May secret chamber pala siya. May main hall. May secret chamber. Food review ko yan. Okay. Bon.
Recorded.
Let's eat.